Hi everyone! Welcome to 3G Kids. Today we have fishing for blind bags. So each of the blind bags have a number, and I'm going to tell them the number and they have to get that blind bag with their fishing pole. Okay, Carson, can you find the number 2? You see this number?
Yeah.
Look and match this number. Look at Grandma's number. Can you match it? Pick it up with your... And Audrie, can you find this number?
Yeah.
Match it?
Yeah.
Okay, number 10. Can you find that?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's with there at the pet shop. Hoping I got it.
Oh, you got number 7. Oh no. We don't want number 7.
I got it.
Get it over there, number 10. Oh, Carson's in your way. Okay, Carson, get your number. You have the 2? Okay, wait, stop. Wait, stop. Okay, Carson's getting number 2. Audrey's getting number 10. Awesome, good job. Okay, put them over here. We'll open them in a little bit. Let's get them all. Okay, Carson, let's find number 3. Oh, not that one, huh? Okay, Audrey, can you find the number 6?
Yeah. It's
Sheriff Callie. Did it get away from you, Carson?
Got it.
Good job. All right.
Now I'm going to line it up.
Okay, reel them in. Oops, you dropped it.
Got it.
All right, good job.
Got it.
Okay, put it in your pile.
Okay, guys, everything in my hand. It's Carson and Callie.
Okay, put it in your pile. Okay, Audrey.
7.
7. Good job. Line 7. There it is. Okay.
I got the match. I got the match.
Okay, good job. Okay, Carson. You find number 1. Okay, Carson's looking for the number 1. Audrey, what number is this?
5.
Okay, good job. Find the number 5.
I found it. It's probably in your pocket. You want me to?
Yeah.
Where's the clip?
Oh, just lay him down. Okay, Carson. Okay, we got untangled.
I got it.
Good job. Where's your 4, Carson? Where's your 4? Don't get him tangled up again.
You got mine.
Okay.
I don't have a
Get your 4.
Mama, I got BB.
Audrey, get the last one, the number 9. Get your 4. Come on. You can do it. Good job.
Get it out.
Careful, easy. Good job. Woohoo!
There's 8.
Okay, but second we'll open them. We'll sit down and open them.
Now we can.
Okay, let's line them up and see what we got. So, okay, we're going to open our blind bags. Okay, Audrey,
Okay.
pick one.
I'll pick Pet Shop.
Okay, Littlest Pet Shop.
I got Pet Shop. I got Pointy.
Let me see.
She looks so
Okay,
cute.
here.
I got Pet Shop
Aw,
too.
this is what we got. Aw, look how cute. Looks like a little porcupine.
And she come with a cute little
A
bed.
little bed.
And she come with a little binky.
Okay, Carson. And you're opening, what are you opening? Littlest Pet Shop. Aww.
Oh, I guess.
Look how cute. It's a little teacup. Okay, let me see. Oh, there goes our paper.
I'm gonna get.
Oh. Okay, this is what we got. It's like a little fox.
She come up a bit. She come up a bit. She come
Yeah, it had a little teacup, so maybe it's a little teacup chihuahua or something.
She come up a cute little bit.
Okay, who did?
And she come up a cute little bit to jump in.
Okay, what do we open next?
Puppy in your pocket.
Puppy in your pocket, yeah.
Let's open it.
Okay, go ahead.
She looks so cute.
Aww.
She looks
Okay, hold it up. Let me see.
Yeah, let me get. Oh, Sheriff Callie.
Okay, you're gonna open Sheriff Callie.
There. And see this. There's the wrist. I got
Sheriff Callie.
I found it.
Okay, let me see. It's a little. Okay, you have Sheriff Callie. Looks like it's Riley. Riley, the bearded collie.
I like him.
Okay, sit him down here. Okay, what are you opening next? Audrey, next bag. What are you opening?
Let's see. Doc McStuffin.
Okay.
Open it. Oh my God.
Who have you got? Aww.
Baby.
Look how cute.
I always want this.
Let me see. That's a. There you go. Turn it so I can see it. There we go. Oh, it's all sparkly. It's glittery. Let me see your bag.
Mom, I open mine.
Okay, we have a rare glitter Cece.
Oh, she looks so cute.
She is so cute. Okay, Carson.
Let's pair with them.
Put them in the lineup.
Let's pair with mine.
Okay, Carson's got a Doc McStuffin. So we got Hallie.
Yeah.
All right, we don't have Hallie. Hey, show them to the camera. Let me see. Turn it around. Look how cute she is. She's got a ball of yarn. Sheriff Callie.
Let's open mine first.
You're opening Miles.
I got Toby.
Okay.
I got
Oh, we got the sand ones. Yeah, Melvin and Melinda. Go ahead.
I got Miles. Oh, I got Merc.
Oh, we don't have Merc.
This is the baby Merc.
How cute. Let me see. How cute is he?
She's a baby. She can go for big Merc.
Okay, Carson. He has a Shopkins that flew over. Shopkins Microlight. We got that's our third one of that one. Okay, open it up and show the camera. Okay, let me see. That's Dummy Me, I think it's called. Okay, bye everyone. Thank you for watching 3G Kids. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.